Thank you very much. We're really very proud, great to see all the youth which is here in Mthunzi today just to watch and going for all the finals which are taking place here. That's what I'm picking up. All the kids are here instead of going and doing all those funny things outside. But they are busy here coming to watch their teams going to the finals. At first, I want to say congratulations to Royal Leopards on the junior side, and also their second runner-up, which is Royal Dynamos. That's so great to see people like this, young kids performing at their best level in terms of soccer. We, as a sponsor of Mandla Mahewu, we are committed to the development of the youth football development. We have a quality product. We have FFC credentials for health and safety, which is very important just to make sure that our quality is the leading one in Swaziland. And the availability to you all customers, as always, is always a priority to us. We as a sponsor, when you look at this, we total overall of the sponsor, it's close to 120,000. We've got 70,000 in terms of sponsor, which is in terms of value or the money we are sponsoring with. And we've got like the POS material, even the free stock we're using. When you calculate all that, that goes to up until 120. That's a very good sponsor, which we just committed on doing to the Junior League. So we also thank the Football Association to taking this initiative to make sure that everything is going smooth. All the kids, no issues, no complaints. The referees, we thank them also for holding all the match in the proper way up until today. There were no noise. You can see the discipline which is being installed to all the kids. They are teaching them something. They are learning something just to make sure that everything is going smooth. So parents, if you're sending your kids to the soccer, you make sure that feel free, everything is going well, because discipline, respect, it's always there. So on a short note, I just thank you parents for allowing your kids just to go and participate in the soccer fields. I thank you all.